All right, what is up, you guys? So today we're going to be trying out the new Rasta Racing link pipe that I got for the bike. Basically gets rid of the big bread box muffler down in the center on the bottom. Makes it sound real good, gives it a little more noise. I got it in the mail the other day and I was a little too impatient, so I already put it on. Sorry about that, I just couldn't wait. But there it is, it's on. We'll go over real quick what you got to do. So basically you're going to take this part off that holds on the muffler. This part up here holds another piece, and then you're going to take this off, and you can bend this back a little bit to get to that right there, that one. And then you take that one right there off, and there's another little one right here that also attaches to the muffler, and then this will swing down or come off. You could just loosen this one and it'll swing down. I took it all the way off. And then same screw on the other side. Actually, let me look at it because I forget. All right, we did one mounting bolt here, and I think maybe that was actually it. I don't think we had to loosen this at all. And then you need a 10 mil to take this, loosen this off, 12 for front and back here to get this off. Same with these are 12. This is a 12, and then another 10 is the clamp right there that goes to the cat and into the muffler. And then you just slip the pipe on. He includes this little like foil stuff to put a little buildup there because of the style of the clamp that comes with it. It doesn't really pinch down all the way unless you put some buildup material on there. And then cool. And you put that on, you got to kind of find the angle. I still don't think mine is at the right angle, but I didn't feel like adjusting it after I already had it on and everything back together, because once I put the muffler on, it's kind of tough to get it in the right spot. And I don't know if you can see by looking at it where it connects to the pipe. It kind of fits weird. At least that's what it looks like to me. But I mean, it's fine. There's no leaks. I kind of put my hand around, made sure there's no air coming out anywhere. It's all coming out the back. So it's all good, and it looks fine like this. So I'll start her up. We'll give her a test at idle and some revs, and then I'll go get some gear and give you guys a little riding, like what it sounds like riding, and with the mic and the helmet, and then some drive-bys. So with that on, I'm just gonna put the camera down really quick so I could start it. Start, so it's going to be a little bit louder as it warms up. One thing you want to do when you first put it on is start the bike, and like once you put everything back together, start the bike, let it run, and get used to the new airflow. Let the ECU learn it. Yeah, and then after that, you can turn the bike off, you can go ride, do whatever you want. Yeah. We'll give her a couple revs here now for you. So off so I can talk. As you can tell, it's a lot louder now. So we're gonna go get some gear on and then we'll take her for a ride. All right. Got my gear. So let's take this baby for a little rip. Got the rock form mount. So we're gonna go down to just down the road a little bit to a street where I can set up the GoPro and get some drive-by clips for you. Gonna try and do this before the next rain hits. Gotta love the southeast. It rains all the time. Okay, we just fucking went into neutral. That was weird. Felt it click in, and it fucking clicked right back out. So, this kind of I'm in third right now at 7,000 is what it sounds like. But if you're just driving down the road, you could kick it up to like a higher gear, and you can't really, it like doesn't drone out as much. If you're cruising at higher RPMs, then yeah, it's kind of loud. But it sounds so good on like downshifts and everything when it starts to crackle. Oh, I love it more and more every time I downshift. It's a little crackly. It's not warm yet, so it probably won't crackle as much, but so that's kind of what it sounds like when you start to get on it. And it's probably a little warm now, so when I get up here and start to downshift, it should hopefully crackle a little bit more. I don't even know if you guys can hear the crackling from inside the helmet. I don't know what this mic picks up and what it doesn't yet, but we will see. Almost to the road that I usually set the camera up and do the drive-bys on, so about another minute or two. I'll probably just end up cutting this out anyways. Dried up by the time I came out here. I thought it was going to rain all day and I wasn't going to be able to film. Luckily I got it. Oh, don't tell me this truck's going down this road. There were some pretty good ones. I don't know if you heard them. We're gonna stop here and let this truck go a little bit. Now this car too. All right. Find somewhere to set the camera down. I'll probably do right about here. No, cars might turn into that. I doubt it, but maybe. We'll do right here. It's more of a dirt road-ish turn down, so I doubt anybody's gonna turn onto it. Put the camera on the tripod, and we'll do some drive-by clips. Alright, yeah, so that's pretty much what it sounds like. Hopefully those drive-by clips were pretty good. We'll do a little rev here. Yeah, so a lot louder. I actually really enjoy it. Brings the bike to life. Also, that muffler that it has on there is like, I don't know, I'd say anywhere between 10 and 15 pounds. And I didn't think you would really notice that weight, but it feels so much lighter on turn in that it's actually really good. Yeah, I'm loving it. I'll leave the link. Actually, the best way to contact the guy is probably by email, so I'll leave his email in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, if you like the exhaust, please leave a like. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. I very much appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.